trying to get to him, I think.
Look at the curtain. Oh my god. And Charlie's done.
I believe so, it's Bubbles.
I think he just laid down.
Mm-hmm. Charlie's go back up.
Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. What was that?
You're trying to get Bubbles.
And it's done. Maybe.
No.
He had to make it to safety.
Yeah, because Charlie won't jump up there.
Anywhere Charlie can reach is hot lava. And now it's done.